I'm Stuart Goddard, Marketing Officer for Western Bay Adoption Service. We're the regional adoption service for Swansea, Bridgend and Neath Port Talbot. Today we're on Aberafan Beach. We've created a mural celebrating 10 years of adoption in the service and nationally. We asked our adopters to come up with some words that represent their feelings about adoption. They come up with some fantastic words such as belonging, connection, fulfillment, journey. So we've put those into our shape on the beach. Staff are coming down to fill it up with people, and we're also doing a beach sand sculpture workshop on the beach as well for families, all part of our celebrations for 10 years of adoption.
Today we're celebrating the 10th anniversary of Western Bay Adoption Service here at Aberafan Beach. Over the past decade, Western Bay have helped transform the lives of many children and families. This dedicated team has worked tirelessly to ensure that every child finds a loving and supportive home. We are proud of the positive impact Western Bay has made in our community, and we look forward to seeing this work continuing in the future.
If you want to find out more about us, we're particularly keen to speak to people who are interested in adopting children with more complex needs. Please visit our website, which is westernbayadoption.org.